I have purchased this every year for the past 4 years, and I've never tried it. It always ends up in the back of my freezer, and I forget about it, and then it's expired, and then the new ones come out. So let's finally try this Trader Joe's butternut squash mac and cheese that TikTok claims is the best. So let's try it. I just put my toddler down for a nap. It's not going well. Anywho, okay. Interesting. What are we supposed to do here? While I have y'all, some seasonal things that I got. Love these. Grabbed a box of those because I think Kennedy would like those too. This weekend, my mom gave Kennedy some of these and she loved them. So, some cinnamon grams. I threw out the sticker that was on this because it came off. But pumpkin biscotti. I always stock up on canned pumpkin at Trader Joe's this time of year because it's organic. It's a great price. I think it's like $2.20 per can. Which at other grocery stores, a can of pumpkin is more, and it's not organic. So I like to stock up at Trader Joe's. These, obviously, for my daughter, because she is the muffin queen. These are gluten-free, but their gluten-free muffins are always delicious. So another thing, not pumpkin necessarily, but fall. These apples are so, so good. And Kennedy, I did get the pumpkin Cheerios last week. She liked them, so I got Trader Joe's version of Cheerios. I almost got the seasonal pasta sauce, but one of the employees was like restocking and I didn't want to get in the way. Oh, this is seasonal though. Never seen this before. Maple butter. It says on it to put it on toast with bacon. So you don't gotta tell me twice. I'm taking that camping. What was the other thing I was gonna show y'all? Where'd it go? What was I gonna show y'all? I don't remember, but I did pick up this. I don't know if this is a fall item, but I got this for Kennedy to try because she's never had cranberry. Moving into the fridge, tortellini for Kennedy. She loves ravioli, so I figured I would get these, and that I love stuffing. I tried that for the first time last year. It's so good, so we got that. And then for freezer, which is mostly milk, I've got frozen blueberries. I got a berry blend for Carl, and then some frozen raspberries, and then I already had some strawberries from last week. Just waiting on that mac and cheese now. Doesn't really look that good, I'm gonna be honest. Honestly, I don't think it's worth the hype. I don't think it's good. I probably wouldn't buy it again. But if you see me this afternoon at Trader Joe's with 20 of these in my cart, they're not for me. They're for a friend. But like I said, I don't think it's good.